Like birds flying in a V, when we feel the presence of others moving alongside of us, there is little we cannot accomplish. As they swoop, drift, and glide, inscribing magnificent patterns across the sky, birds are serene displays of grace and beauty. Long a source of inspiration, birds can be messengers from the spirit realm, or a symbol of the human soul as they cast off their earthly mooring and soar heavenward. An upturned wing, a graceful flutter. Also effortless and free. More magnificent still is the inspiring sight of birds migrating, progressing steadily across the horizon in solid V formation. That is a singular pattern, too unique to be mere chance. Pushing steadily forward, this aerodynamic V reduces air resistance for the whole flock. With the wings moving in harmony, the feathered group continues its course across the sky, covering more ground together in community as individuals. When the bird at the front gets tired, she will move to the rear of the formation, where the wind drag is lowest, and a more rested bird can take her place. By learning from the example of our winged guides, all of us can feel empowered to take on daring challenges as we charge adventurous courses. Feel the strength of others moving alongside you as their presence lends power to your wings during this journey across the sky of life. When buffeted by unexpected gusts, we can choose to find refuge in the loving shelter of friends and family. We may even marvel as an otherwise difficult day passes by like a swift wind, as a kindred spirit charts a way for us through the clouds and rain ahead. If your wings begin to ache on your journey, look around for somebody else to fly at the front for a while. All of us move faster when we move together. Let your ego drop earthwards as we all soar even